How to change Facebook profile to digital creator. For that, go to your Play Store and after that search for Facebook and then see that if you have an update. So if you have an update, then update your Facebook and then open your app. But for now I don't have an update, so after that open up your Facebook and then what you have to do is on the upper right corner you will have a 3-lined or that 3-barred icon. Tap on that and then go all the way down until you see help and support. Tap on help and support and then tap on help center. Now here you could see this, it is just set up like this and you can just search for digital creator and tap on digital creator. Now it will actually give you these choices. Go and find access creator support from Facebook. Tap on that and then you will see the digital creator or how you could change your Facebook profile to digital creator. As it already says that this feature is only available to some people right now. So if this was helpful, then tap on yes, and if it wasn't helpful, then tap on no, and then it will ask you for a bunch of options and then you can report a problem with Facebook by saying that you can't find an option to change your Facebook profile to digital creator, and then Facebook will come up with a solution. So this is how you can change your Facebook profile to digital creator. This was a way. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.